How to find saved videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can find the saved videos on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To find the saved videos on YouTube, if you basically open up YouTube and you happen to save something to watch later, so you opened up a certain video, then you just tap on the maybe save option here, and then you added them to any playlist, which most likely is watch later, right? Or any of the other playlist. To find this, just tap on your profile icon from the bottom right. Then from here you can see playlist. So it depends on which playlist you added. If you added them to your watch later, you'll find them in your watch later. If you added them to your liked videos, you'll find them inside your liked videos. If you added them to your custom playlist, you'll find them inside those playlists. And this is the way to go ahead and then find those saved YouTube videos. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.